Okay, peeps. Okay, today is going to be the product review is going to be Chef Cupboard Parmesan Garlic Chicken Coating Mix. We're about to do it again. So I'm going ahead and get the chicken breasts I'm going to use. I'm going to wash them up, cut them up, put them in a bowl. I'm going to get an egg because I need at least one egg. And I'm going to get the cooking sheet or whatever cooking pan I'm going to use to bake them in. So I'll be right back with you. Peeps, we're back. So I'm going ahead and open up this package. Let's see what we got here. Oh. As you can see, they don't really give you much. They said it's for 2 meals. I guess if you're feeding squirrels, it would be. Let's see. Wow. I shouldn't complain since this was like $1.25, so I guess I shouldn't really complain. Let's see here. Oops, there we go. Open it up and just pour inside this bag. This is the shifter bag, I guess you would call it. Okay, that's it. Bag one. Not expecting to make a lot out of this, so let's get on to the nitty gritty. We're going to take 1 egg. You can use milk. You can use water if you want to. Eggs just seem to work a lot better for me. I've already washed these out. These were packaged chicken breast. You get it at the local food line. Oh yeah. Now I might be able to put, let's see, this is a small chicken breast. What I do with the rest of this is I'm going to take some of this extra seasoning and just sprinkle it right on top of the chicken itself. where it didn't bond too well. Okay. That's one package. And I don't think I have enough for the last chicken breast, so that's gonna be fine. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven. Let you know what it looks like beforehand. And now I'm going to bake it for. I'm going to be baking it. Let's see. Until temperature reaches 400 degrees, right? For 25 minutes. I'll probably do a little bit longer. I'll be back. Okay, peeps, I'm back. Look at that. We're gonna do a quick sniff test. Wow, that actually smells really good. Really good. So, get a little slice of this off here, see what this tastes like. That actually tastes a lot like Parmesan. That's not bad at all. Especially talking from a product that came from dollar store. I don't taste much of the garlic, but the Parmesan is definitely on par. Wow, this is. This is actually pretty good. Now, we didn't go over the specs of this product. And per container, 16 servings, which is 30 calories, no fats, no saturated fats, no trans, no cholesterol, 260 milligrams of sodium, 5 grams of fat, no dietary fibers, no sugars added, no protein, no nothing. That's pretty much only two things that's in here, sodium and carbs. And carbs is only 5 grams, 30 calories. There's not much of anything else in here. But again, if it's seasoning, or mostly seasoning, you're not going to expect a lot because seasonings tend not to add anything to the, calorie-wise to the food. They probably threw something else in it to add the, get up there. Wow, that is really nice. I'm eating this and I'm thinking I need some kind of gravy to pour over top of this. Again, for $1.25 product, it's not bad at all. Quick, easy to make. Wow. Quite impressed. I have to give this at least an 8.5. It is really, really nice. I am so impressed that this, wow. If you like Parmesan and chicken, this is your product to give a shot. I got this at Dollar Tree or one of those dollar places. But until next time, family, take care of yourself. Absolutely delicious.